Hey there, foodies! Ever wondered about the story behind one of the world's most beloved rice dishes? That's right, we're talking about biryani. This isn't just a dish, it's a legacy. Biryani's tale begins with the Mughal emperors of ancient India, blending Persian flavors with local spices. Its name comes from the Persian word biryani, meaning fried before cooking, which explains that incredible layered flavor. Traditionally, it's made with marinated meat, fragrant basmati rice, and a symphony of spices, all cooked together in a sealed pot to lock in every bit of deliciousness. From the royal kitchens of Delhi and Lucknow to the bustling streets of Hyderabad, biryani evolved, creating countless regional variations and becoming a symbol of celebration and community. Today, you can find this royal dish on tables all over the globe. So tell us,